Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about tomato. Tomato belong to Solanum family, and in Israel we grow them usually inside the greenhouse. Of course there are some variety that we can grow in the open field, but the best condition inside the greenhouse. We can control the humidity, we can control the temperature, and then we can grow it for all over the year. As you see, when we grow tomato, we need to do trellising. This technique, this trellising, it's called Deutsch trellising, and we focus on one line. That we roll the plants around the line and we let it grow up. We leave just one stem, as you see here, and all the other one we're cutting out. When the plants reach to 1 month, 1.5 months, we start to find the fruit. You can see the cluster over here. The yellow flower still without pollination, and we can see the fruit that start to grow over here. This variety, it's Ikram, it's big tomato, it's go to the market. The Israeli customer really like it. Except it, we have another two variety of cherry. Cherry, it's small tomato. You can see that it look almost the same, but the fruit will be small. In this case, they will be yellow and very, very sweet. Cherry tomato, it's Israeli developed. The look on the floor, we can see the distance between the plants. Usually we try to save on 70 centimeters between the plants. It means the two plants will be very near and the other one will be a little bit far, and this is let us a lot of distance between them, and it helps us to control the humidity. Humidity in tomato or Solanum family, it's caused to disease, to fungi disease and bacterial disease, and we try to avoid it. From that reason, we also use mulching. Tomato, usually we grow for 3 months. It depends the variety. We have some variety that you can continue and grow them for 2 years. But it's not, if you think about the quality of the fruit, it's not so good after 6 months. So the maximum will be 6-8 months, and then we move them out. What that we see here, this is the bambus bees. This variety, this kind of bees are not local in Israel. We need to buy them from a company that grow the bees, because their body and how they shake in the body when they take the liquor from the flowers, they produce special vibration that move the pollen from the flower. And for Solanum family, they're perfect. And then the pollination will be good, and we will have more fruit. So those bees use us also for the tomato, also for eggplants, pepper, chili, and all the Solanum family actually. One of the biggest problems that we have in the greenhouse is the humidity. High humidity and low temperature, they cause together for disease, bacterial disease, fungal disease, and we can see here one of example of those problems. Of course, that there is 100 or 1,000 of different disease and fungi or bacteria that we can find in the greenhouse. And the best way to fight it is to control the humidity. To control the humidity, we have few options. First, we can open and close the windows. Okay, this is a greenhouse. We have a polyethylene outside. After this, we have a net, so we can play with this open and close without worry that disease and more pests will enter to the greenhouse. Usually in the winter, we open the windows at the night when the temperature are cold and the humidity and the rain are higher. So we open the windows and we let all the humidity to go out. Because this is a greenhouse, so the temperature here still stay high, and even that outside it's cold in the night, it still stay in the average temperature that we should grow the tomato. Another technique, as we said before, is to use the mulching. As you see here, we use gray and yellow mulching. We put the gray mulching between the line, and with this we can block the soil, and all the humidity from the soil stay under the sheet and don't go out. Of course, that there is some water here because the rain, but they will drain very fast. The yellow mulching, it also help us to fight pests, okay, like the tuta absoluta and another types of flies and moths that can attack the tomato. They confuse, they think that the yellow color, this is actually the plants. They go there, there is no food, and they dying over there.